This Chevrolet Bolt EV delivers an electric engine powering this automatic transmission. Premier preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, LPO, all-weather floor mats, front and rear, light ASH gray/ceramic white, perforated leather and pointed seat trim. This Chevrolet Bolt EV comes equipped with these options: green mist metallic includes, TUS, black grille, engine, none, STD, electric drive unit, 200 horsepower, 150 kW 266 pounds featuring of torque, 360 Nm, STD, wireless charging for devices, wipers, front intermittent, variable with washers, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windows, power with rear express down, windows, power with front passenger express down, windows, power with driver express up and down, wheels, 17, 43.2 centimeters, ultra bright machined aluminum with painted pockets. Visit us today. Test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-own beauty today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia.